Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna teach you how to get the long hair filter on TikTok. Before anything else, make sure that you have these three apps, the Face app, the CapCut, and the TikTok. So now let's make our way to the Face app. You must allow the Face app to have access to your photos. After allowing the Face app, you can now click any photos you want to edit. And now click the hairstyle option. And now you can start adding the long hair filter to your chosen picture. Just wait for it to process and there you have it. And now, take a screenshot on the before and after the filter. Next, make your way over to the TikTok application and bring in a specific template. Once you're in, go to the search bar and look for the long hair filter. And you'll see this CapCut template made by the person named Dennis. Click on the Try This template. Next, click on the Use template in CapCut. Now, bring in the two photos that you have just screenshotted earlier. And after that, you can now edit the photos and videos you've chosen. And once you're done, click on Export. And now, you can save and share it straight into TikTok. And there you have it. You can add sounds to it to make it more entertaining. And that's pretty much how you do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.